Kylie. Kylie! I'm stuck outside. I forgot the door locks on its own. It's fucking cold. I'm stuck outside in the snow. At least I put boots on and socks. Kylie's eating the snow off the couch. What are you doing? What are you doing? You eating it? Is it good? Is it good? Kylie, tell me. Whoa. Oh, slushy dog. It's cold. Well, Sherry will be home soon, I hope. After the store. I didn't even bring my phone outside, so I'm screwed there. So at least I get to enjoy this beautiful weather. Yay! Okay, bye.